Hello, 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 hello. It is me, Mr. Capalbo. I've lost part of my accent. I'm going into, not Italian tonight, but Mexicano. How's it going, people? Maybe Southwestern Italian, maybe not Italian at all, really. More Southwestern American chili. I'm going to make chili very hot. As you know, I like it hot, but I'm going to add something different. As you can see, there are corn chips. Corn chips are the ingredients with queso, cheese, cheddar cheese. I like my cheese. So, why am I talking to you like this today? I'm bored, maybe? Hang on 1 second. We have to do a very hard thing here. Okay. Did not work. Yeah. Going to set you down. I'm working by myself today. Spoon. We need chips. Lots chips in there. Whoa, excuse me. Why are you talking with your mouth full, like you say? Well, I'm not. Not yet. Anyways. So we have our chips. We have our cheese. And we have our secret can of chili. Yes, I'm not using no special ingredients like the meatballs and the meatloaf that I made the other day, which was excellent. We're going to have hormel chili, hot with beans. Why hot? Because I like it hot. Some like it hot. You've heard that before, I'm sure. Okay, come out, chili. Slowly but surely. This is really hard with the left hand because I'm not left-handed. You see, you learned a new thing about me. I'm not left-handed. This chili's not left-handed either. Okay, so we wait. We try to switch hands here and hold the camera away from the left-handed part. You can stir up the cheese, or better yet, you can stir up the flame. I do have a flame on there. Yes, you do. Okay. You can start that. Start to sizzle. Now, let's try to get this out again. Okay, that chili looks a little burnt. I hope it's good. Alrighty then. So now we're cooking and don't drop the camera into the chili because then I will have to be very pissed. Because this is my only camera I have. Well, I mean for making food that's not live. As you can tell, I'm not going live right now. So we have a little fire under there. We take some of our cheese and we just throw it in there. Fire in the flavor. Fire it in. Okay, now I'm talking like an artist. And the artist is dead. He's not alive no more. That's William Alexander. You maybe could have seen him on PBS. But I'm not on TV. Not right now. Not yet. Maybe if I become a famous cook, which I highly doubt because I'm using canned goods instead of making it homemade. I have ingredients to make it homemade, but it's going to take hours upon hours because it's made inside a crock pot. It's going to take 8 hours. And I don't have 8 hours of time right now. I only have, if I'm lucky, I have 15 minutes. So we dump in the rest of the cheese. We like cheese. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look good? You're like, wait, you still have cheese on this plate. Yes, I do. Is that a bee? I hear a bee. No? Okay. So, it's good. Now the cheese is in there, cooking. Cooking. Smell it. Oh, if you could smell it, you would be burning your nose off because it's very hot. Now, you're all wondering, why you put the chips into the chili? Well, for one thing, I like it that way. For another, make it nice and soft. So it's like a tortilla, almost like having a burrito. So we mix that up. All the cheese has gone into there. Let me see how it tastes. Because you know a chef always tests his food. Oh, not too hot. Not cooked. It's raw. It's still hot. Very hot. Oh, in flavor. Hot in heat too. Now let me try. A little more cooking. Still not hot enough. Needs to be gooey. Oh, it's hot for flavor, that's for sure. I'm glad I took down some of that by adding the chips. Now let me see. It's going to be hot now, and I'm going to have a chip, as you can see. Okay. Yeah. There you have it. I learned this way back when I was a child, and I used to talk like this. So you know, if I talk like that, I must have been a kid. Yes, I was a little kid. I was a very little kid, and I went to school, and I learned how to eat food. So in the cafeteria, they used corn chips, and they would put it in chili, and their chili sucked. Their chili was horrible. So anyways, back to my voice. And you know, maybe I ask you to also watch my friend Artworks. That's A.R.T.Artworks. He's an artist. He likes to wear black, and he's on YouTube. Like I said, his name is Artworks is the name of his channel. And hopefully he will let people know about my channel, which of course now I changed the name, is Art and Food. Art and Food. Maybe later today I will do some artwork myself, if I'm not dying from this chili. Anyways, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, you click the bell. You don't have to worry. I send you a message automatically like magic. That way you can know when I'm online. And either I'm live, which I'm not right now, I'm recording, or I'm videotape. But thank you for watching. And this is Mr. Italian Cooking. Well, today, Southwestern Cooking with Mr. Capalbo. Hello, Mrs. Capalbo. How are you? You're not dressed. Okay. Anyways, I'm not dressed that well either. I'm Mr. Fat Capalbo. But you see, we have chili. You want some chili? It's a little hot. Okay. So, thank you again for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'll be watching. Oh, also let me know what you thought. Did you make the meatloaf? Because I'd like to know what you people think of my cooking. It must be good. I do have lots more subscribers, and I want to thank them for subscribing. Once again, thank you very much, and ciao!